Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System. So I'm mainly getting this for two purposes. I want to use it as a food processor, which is one of the functions. Also, I want to use it as a dough kneader. So essentially you can make your doughs, bread dough, pizza dough, cookie dough, whatever you want. So actually right on top, this thing in here is one of the kneaders. So this is going to mix up your dough and make it possible. Let's see what else is in there. You have various attachments here. So this is for the food processor. So the blades will go on top and then it'll slice it up for you. So this is going to allow me to get rid of certain items from my kitchen counter. So it's all about efficiency, trying to get rid of certain things. So make more space in your pantry as well as your kitchen countertops. And this is going to allow me to do that. So it can blend, it can be a food processor, it can be a KitchenAid, like the dough maker thing. So I'm going to get rid of my KitchenAid. I'm going to get rid of my Vitamix blender and do all of this with, it's not going to do everything as well as each individual device, but think about it. You get rid of 3 or 4 things and have one device to do it all. That's going to save you a lot of space. As you can see, you have these individual smoothie blenders already in there. You get 2 of these smoothie makers essentially. So these come with like the cap with the open here. So let's take this off. That's for storage. You can put this one on. If you're on the go, you put this on, and now you can drink your smoothie right from the bottle you blended it in. So that's going to allow you to reduce the amount of bottles you use, or little items you use to make your smoothies. So let's put these to the side. This is the food processor top. This one is special because look at this. So you have the big food pusher, right? But what about those little things? They were just gonna get sliced in random patterns if you put it through a hole this big. So actually, it's a 2-part one. So let's peel this here. There you go. When you unlock like this and then open, look at that. There's a much smaller hole in there. So let's say if you're putting okra or whatever smaller, thinner, like celery or something like that in there, it's gonna stay put. So you can lock it in place to use the bigger one, or if you want to use just the smaller one, you can put it in through here and they'll cut in the correct orientation. So that's pretty awesome that they've included that here. It kind of walks you through installing the lid on the pitcher too here. So everything's super easy to follow through. As you can see here, it just says to open, pull that here. Of course, rinse everything before first use. And then there's protectors on here for shipping that you need to take off. This just sits right on top here. You can see on the handle here, it's going to put this the correct way. This is the front of the blender. This will go like this. You can see it locks in place. So you put it at an angle and it locks in place. So you're gonna put the processor spindle in there. Let's say you want these are the blades. So let's go ahead and get the blades out. Be careful getting the blades out, of course. And then this is a reversible disc. If you put this blade on top, this is going to slice. If you put this on top, you can see the serrations for the shredder, and it's going to shred. And we can peel this before first use, of course. And obviously, all of this stuff we're going to rinse off before first use. So all we're going to do is, let's say we want to shred, put this on top, and this thing goes in, making sure this is to the right, and then you lock it in place. And then you're ready to put your food through. If you're using this as a blender, you're going to take the blade and the spindle off. You're going to put the blender blade in. And then this one gives you the instructions to use this lid, right? So it says push to release the handle top. And then this will go in and then you lock it in place just like that. And to open, you just release and pull it off. So it's super easy to put it together. And then when you are done blending, you're going to twist it this way to unlock, and then you can pour your drink right out of the blender right there. And you can see there's a little thing here, so if you have chunks, it will hold them in place. But yeah, it's a super comprehensive product. We're going to make some things with it, and I'll show you coming up next. Also, this cup is kind of special. So essentially this goes on top of the blender, but on top here, you can spin this, and this one allows you to make, to blend frozen things, and you can power through that stuff using less liquid because you can kind of just twist this top and get that stuff off of the walls and back into the blender blade. All right, so we're gonna use the chop function on here. So to put this on, you're gonna twist it on like that. You're gonna put the blade assembly on. So you're gonna use the regular blender blade assembly for chop function. And then let's just put this potato. I'm just gonna cut it in, it's a massive potato, so I'm just gonna cut it in half. And then we'll just put it as 2 big pieces and see if it works that way. Well, that might not fit. Let's do it in quarters then. You put it down like that, click it in place, and now it's closed. You're gonna hit the power button to turn it on. We're gonna change it to chop. And then we can close it. So this is what it chops it up as. I'm gonna just take it out in the pan here. So there's obviously big chunks, so I should chop more to get them smaller, but this is the first time I'm using it. So this is what it chops it up as. So more like for onions, this might be better than potatoes, but yeah, that's what we get. Okay, here I have some tomatoes. I just put them in whole. I'm just gonna blend them up to make a curry. So it doesn't matter if they become a smoothie. So that's 10 seconds, and it's essentially blended it up all the way to almost like a puree. Yeah, so that's pretty quick. Let's take it out here and show you here. There's no chunks left. That's blended all the way down.